Hi guys, welcome back to Fashion and Fun. Today we want to do something fun with Sofia, and since she loves being so magical, we are going to try this magical Mixies mixlings. And it's the magic potions truck. She loves everything about potions and stuff. We have a few magic mixies already, and we are ready to try this. You are able to open up this magic Mixies truck. This is how it looks. Sophia, open it up, please. She is able to open it up like this, and it's like a potion station. Let's set it up as how it looks in the... First, this is the little guy we got. I'm unsure of its name, but it's just like a mixling, but I'm pretty sure that they usually have names.
Key.
Okay, let's see. Let's not mix it up until we know what it is.
Yeah.
We had this envelope, which included these.
Look, heart, bubbles,
potions.
Star.
We'll follow the steps right now.
I think this is to mix.
I think we need water somehow.
Oh, yeah,
so
we
we'll
do.
Follow the instructions. Look, open this up. I think we'll have the name of the little mixling.
Okay.
Open it all the way.
He just like there.
It's like a pinkish with darker pink.
Yeah.
Tail.
I think he's in here. Somewhere there.
Let's see. I think it's this one. Right here. Frickle. Only available in Magic Potions truck. You guys think it's that one? I think so. This is the instruction that comes here. It's saying, Sophia, you have 3 accessories?
One, two. I have 1 accessory.
I wonder if we're missing something, Sophia. We should have 3 color changing package, a frizz package, and they all have the numbers here, I think. No, so these are the color change packets, fizz packet, the 3 potion bottles, quadron right here, mixling, obviously the vehicle, a pipette wand. We need to look for those accessories. They must be somewhere. Okay, so we didn't find the accessories that it says it came with.
That's okay. And look.
We already opened this, so I am not able to return this for a replacement. But these were like little rings or something that are missing. Okay, let's go to the instructions. Vehicle open. It's pretty simple to open it up. You press the button here on the top, that one. Wow. She's also able to do it without pressing the button, but if she presses the button, you can see that it pops out. And sorry that Sophia, her clothes is a little dirty. She just ate right now, and I guess she got a little messy. Okay, another thing right here, it's showing these little lines. I'm not sure what it is for or not, but
I know what.
Hold on.
I know what's gonna happen.
These things, look. They're probably just like reflectors. Vehicle closed. So did you press this down? Press it so that it doesn't move. There we go.
There.
Sophia already attached her bottles here. This goes right here, Sophia.
Oh, that looks cool.
And this is another view. If her little mixling is going to drive, we could close this and put it on the driver's seat. But since we're doing the magic, he will be right there right now. We do need to bring water, so we will bring water right now. And Let's see. We'll bring warm water since there's like a sun right there, and I'm assuming it's supposed to be hot. We brought hot and cold water. So this is the cold, this is the hot. Let's see, Sophia. So let's grab first your mixling right here.
Yeah.
And you can start with the hot water. So to do this,
I know what.
you squish it first. Nope. Look. Squish it first. Tuck it in. Now let it go inside. There we go. Okay. So let's do the tail. I think it's the tail. Wow.
Whoa.
And we do have a cloth here so that we can clean, because obviously this is messy. Let's try. So wait, hold on. Let's do just a tiny bit of hot. But now let's do the cold. So the cold makes it turn back to regular color. Okay, let's turn this around, Sophia, and we're going to see what's next. It says love potion.
Love potion.
So you have, except the number 1 right here. Which one do you think it's the love potion from those? Yes. So first, so that you don't lose anything, just go like this so that everything goes to the bottom, and check for the opening line right here. You see it? Right here. So open it from right there.
I see it.
Carefully. You got it?
Yeah, I'm getting it. It's okay, don't need to go. Almost done. Well,
Will it help?
what is this?
Hold on, don't break it.
I-
Okay, so carefully pour it in there. Good job. All of it, all of it. Wiggle that little folder.
This stuff has more.
Yeah, wiggle it in the quadrant. Everything. Got it? Okay, next step, the Lucky Star Potion. So remember the first step? Grab it from the top and shake it so that it all goes to the bottom.
I don't need that, please.
Can I see how it looks first? Oh, it's just like a little dust again. And I did bring the scissors just to help her, because it was a little harder to just pull. There we go. You can just wiggle it. Okay, last step, flight potion. Do you know why it's called flight potion?
Yeah, it's this one.
Because it flies, so it has a wing. Remember the first step when grabbing this?
These.
No, it's only... Oh, yes, actually, yes. Those... Oh, no. It's only one, Sophia.
Oh.
Or was it 2? I think Sophia is actually right.
I was right.
Let me... we've never done this.
I did. But I don't know how, I think.
We were supposed to put water. I think we missed... We are doing it wrong, Sophia. Look. We were looking at this step, and it's actually this. Number 1. Let me see if we can still fix it. Hold on. This, add the water. Add the water in there. I hope it still works.
Yeah, I hope it does.
Number 2 was to add that.
What is it?
Okay, it says potion creation. So let's add the feather one. This one. Okay. Look. Are you able to open it? I think you just twist.
Oh, yeah.
Can you do it?
Oh, I did.
Oh, you're so strong.
Oh, I think it's gonna do otro monito.
Oh, you're pouring it out. Just try to keep it inside the cauldron. So good thing I saw this ahead.
Yeah.
No. This is the correct way. So grab more water from there and pour it in here. So that's what she's supposed to do. Grab water from the cauldron and actually pour it in this little potion. Done. I feel so bad because I realized I did everything wrong. So these two are completely wrong. This one still has a little bit to save. So the first step actually was to have the water. And that's what happens next time. I promise I will look ahead and see everything before just assuming. This didn't have any like letter instructions, word instructions. So here we have the water. Pour number 1 in there, Sofia.
Okay, I'm not gonna try.
There, we have the bubbles coming. Can you hear it, Sofia?
Yeah, I think he's gonna do un monito.
Now, what we were supposed to do with every step, we were supposed to add the colored matching one. Obviously, these are already mixed, so they're pretty much the same color, but we are still slightly able to save the third one, which is the butterfly one. We didn't pour it in, so Sofia is going to pour it in here. In here, Sofia.
Don't move me, don't move me now. I can.
From this video, you guys can learn what not to do first. So just don't assume and start pouring things. Okay, Sofia.
Ooh.
So now let's cover this,
Oh.
or cover all of them, and shake them.
Shake.
And that was actually the last step right there for 30 seconds. Sophia, can you count? 1, keep shaking a lot. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, let me try, 28, 29, 30.
30.
So let's see, this one is blue. Obviously, it did work, but I'm assuming one was supposed to be like red or pink, and the other one kind of golden. Now, after that, open this up and see what happens. What's that?
Son los juguetes.
Yes, I realized that. The surprises are in there. Maybe because we did it wrong, it didn't pop out correctly, Sophia. But let's see. There, pull it. That's the first surprise in there. And there are glasses. It's a headband. She's going to start on her second one. I'll help her with this one. Just keep shaking like this. Look. Dun, 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 dun. Shake, 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 shake. Okay, now open the first one.
I'll open this one. We did it all correct.
Pull it.
We did everything correct.
Wow.
Some glasses, I think.
And they do come with like a little plastic around it.
Why?
Maybe just to keep it close when you pull it. Okay, these are glasses.
I don't know where.
Oh, I think that's like a necklace.
Ooh.
Let's see.
We did everything correct.
Yeah, and this is the necklace. Here's the glasses and the necklace and her mixling with all of her accessories. It was a great surprise to know that she was not missing the accessories. And the cool thing is that the tail is color changing. Is that cool, Sofia?
Yep.
Okay. So sorry if we didn't do it correctly, but obviously we learned. We never know what to expect with magic mixlings. I think we always magic mixies. We always get it incorrect the first time, but next time when trying something new, I think I will do my research first. Lesson learned. Okay, so we hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.
Bye.